Welcome to Exploring 10 Colors. Today, our goal is to learn 10 different colors. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Our first color is red. Look at these juicy red raspberries. Red raspberry. Now, let's move on to the color orange. Look at these bright mangoes. Orange. Orange mango. Up next is the color yellow. Look at these lemons. Yellow lemon. Now, let's explore the color green. Look at these fresh pears. Green pear. We are moving on to the color blue. Look at these damson plums. Blue damson plum. Let's discover the color purple. Look at these shiny eggplants. Purple eggplant. Now, let's explore the color pink. Look at these vibrant Swiss chards. Pink Swiss chard. Next is the color brown. Look at these earthy potatoes. Brown potato. Now, let's discover the color black. Look at these black fungus. Black fungus. Finally, let's learn about the color white. Look at these rare pine berries. White pine berry. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the 10 colors we learned today. I'll mention each color, and I was hoping you could say the word for that color out loud. Ready? Go! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, white. Amazing work! Now, it's time for some fun! Let's play a color recognition game. I'll show you a fruit, and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's get started! job, everyone! If you enjoyed learning about colors and fruits, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Goodbye! See you next time!